Okay, we made it on the ship. We're about to go get lunch. We are starving, but all the Disney magic is literally everywhere. We just went through the buffet. Here are my pickings and Ryan's pickings. Almost the same, except he got this bread. This is a panko crusted cod, of course some crab, strip sirloin. This was their steamship round beef, and then a lamb chop. All right, so I got a second plate. We got some chicken tenders, some salmon, another pickle crusted cod because it was so good, french fries, duh, and a chicken with pico de gallo on top. Ryan just sat down with his second plate. Ryan wants apple pie, but I'm a little full, so I think I'm gonna grab a chocolate chip cookie because they look really some of the desserts that they have. Those are a quick little overview. Obviously, here's the main kids area, the pool, the aqua lab dunk. Over here is Duck-In Diner, so one of the quick eats. Right here is Frozone Treats. They have Dole Whips and stuff here. And here is the ice cream station. It's clearly very popular. Here's the main pool. We have some hot tubs. The other side. And of course we have a Disney movie on. So people are also already getting on the slides, which is a little chilly. So I can't believe that's happening. Alright, so we were in the adult area. Here's the Signals bar, and then over here is the adults pool. Have the spa back there, which we just did a tour of. Side where that porthole is Cove Cafe. Came to the top deck. We are making our way back to the room. Luckily, we're only 2 floors down, so we can easily take the stairs. Everybody has already decorated their doors, and I'm so behind. So now that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna do a quick room tour. So this is right at the front. We have the toilet room with sink and a tub, which is a first for us on a cruise, and that makes me excited. Over on this side, we have our closet. We have this really cute picture of Mr. and Mrs. Walt with Mickey in hand. Some storage. Over here, we have our lovely bed and the little mirror here. They always put the mirror next to the bed where I have to like lean to get a cute picture, but we're gonna be leaning. We have more storage right here, and then over here we have our little living area. My favorite touch are these little lamps. They have Mickey heads all over, and like over here is Florida, and then of course there's Disney World. Over here is Disneyland. We have Paris, like so cute for the touches. A couch that I believe is also a bed, but we will not be using that. I think there's another bed up there, but again, we'll not be using that. We have our TV that of course Ryan has to play around with.
This channel.
And we have my little getting ready station. Perfect. We have lights and all these little outlets here, which I was concerned about because I heard be prepared for no outlets. And then we did get a balcony. Obviously the door is open, and here is the balcony area. Oh my goodness. It's the perfect spot for a coffee in the morning, for a drink in the evening. Just make sure to watch your step when you're coming in because it is a big step. But that is our room. So I'm about to decorate the room. A real quick overview of all the things I got. So here is our fish extender. I customized it with our favorite characters and then of course our names. I got this Valentine's Day garland to hang. I also got these like Valentine's Day heart lights, a Valentine's Day banner. And then all our magnets are actually Valentine's Day. Here's the magnets to hang everything up with. I got this Mickey dry erase board. All right, room door reveal. We have Valentine's Day decorations and lights. All right, it's time for our muster. So we're heading down to 4. Oh, we're here. We're in our muster station waiting for the drill. We were lucky we got an inside room. We show you guys we're in the theater. Woo! officially on vacation. We're at the Cove Cafe. It's so nice and calm in here. I'm gonna get a latte because they do like latte art, like on the top, like it's all Disney characters, so I need that in my life. Here is our first latte. We got a cutie little Stitch. This was the latte that you wanted.
I was admiring Stitch. I don't want to mess him up.
I know. Oh, he's gonna get slurped. We are in line to meet with Pluto.
Well done.
Thank you. Okay, we are about to go to the musical. We just finished meeting Pluto, which is really cute. All right, we are back in the room. The Tangled production was amazing. I went into the gift shops. You guys, it was like madness in there. And I know they say shop on the first night because a lot of stuff sells out. So I wanted to go take care of that. I wanted a sweatshirt. They didn't have my size, but they said they'll let me know. Anyways, we got back to their room and look, we got a little crab. He is really cute. And now we have to get dressed and ready for dinner. We have dinner in like 30 minutes. And tonight is Animators palette. So I will literally be crying because this is the one that I told myself I probably will cry. Fantasia Mickey is one of my favorites and he comes out. I am all dressed for dinner. Since tonight is Animators, I went all Mickey'd out. And here is Ryan's outfit. He has a little jack going on, his favorite. Give us some moves, give us some moves. The camera loves you. We are rushing to dinner now. We're passing the jewelry area. And back here is Animators. Look at the theming. They're so cute and magical in here. It's so Disney. What do you think so far? Is it cute?
Yeah, it's nice.
The drawing on the walls. You can kind of see they're drawing them. Later they're gonna get animated. Okay, we have ordered some appetizers. These are the full corsets. Everybody raves about them, so they were a must. And then Ryan, what did you get?
Baked potato soup, I think it was.
Well, they both look great. So this is just the first course. Yeah, a corset. Because I couldn't, I feel like I left all the innards. So we're gonna have it with them and get a little more sauce. Oh yeah. This is technically my second appetizer. This is the salmon tartare. And now I got I forgot what salad this is. I think it's chicken and cranberry. So here's everything we ordered for entrees. So I got the tuna steak. Ryan got a herb crusted pork chop. And this one is
Teriyaki beef tenderloin, I think. Yeah.
It looks really good. I've never had a tuna steak and it's really good. We're doing pork chop now. Okay, you guys, no judgment. I actually ordered another of these black truffle prosciutto. They're really, really good. We got some color coming in here. You guys! What's happening?
What they can't do these days.
After that emotional show, it's time for dessert. I got a cookies and cream sundae, which is very not like me. And Ryan got a lemon icebox pie. At dinner, it was great. Now we went and picked up our little sign thing because it's time to meet Mickey. You guys, the atrium is gorgeous. Waiting for Mickey. The line is long. Duh. Here is the line. And then you'll just get your nice. So cute. Came back to the room, changed again. This time we're in comfies. Wearing like a little daisy set. We're gonna go back out. I have to do an exchange at the store. Potentially watch a movie and get coffee. Okay, first stop the gift shop. Oh, it's way calmer than earlier. Let's take a looky-loo. Okay, you guys, I don't have any of these like Little Words Project bracelets. I know people like freak out over them. This little Captain Mickey one. This one says Bon Voyage. This Donald one. These are all so cute. All these keychains are so cute. This one is really calling my name, as well as this one. Okay, wondering if I need this tote. I love totes. I get a sweatshirt already. I also like these little keychains. Yeah, but the Mickey or the Donald is actually super cute. Yeah, these are probably expensive. Oh my god, but look.
There's a bunch of, oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. There's a light. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it sounds like water.
It sounds like water, yeah.
Or maybe for the pool deck up at the top. That's the horn.
It is the horn.
That is really cute. Ryan's trying to decide what he wants to spend on me.
What I want to
How much do you love me is the real question.
Yeah, I know.
Let's get realistic. How many mugs do you normally use?
If you buy a mug, you gotta throw out a mug.
No. Alright, I did damage. Now we're going to O'Gill's.
O'Gill's pub, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the pub, get some drinks, and then we're going to a silent disco party. We're coming into the after hours area. First time that all the adult things are in this corner. So we made it. And we're literally in line for the buffet. It's a sickness. I'm gonna leave you in charge of getting all of our greed. Here's a little overview. Some dressing, some crudités, fruit, of course you know. Sandwiches. We have cheeses, some petite fours, and then what Ryan's actually here for, the wings. Oh, I don't even know what these are. These look like little empanadas. Don't mind the one chicken bone.
I couldn't help myself.
Obviously, we have some wings, pineapple, and a mystery item.
I don't know. It tastes like cheese.
I thought
and
it was
deliciousness.
what do you call it? Like a pizza roll. And then here is O'Gill's bar. We ordered the beer mug, and we did. So, like, if you don't know what the beer mug is, you get like a mug. You get a better, not a better, but like a bigger pour or something. Whatever, I'll show it to you guys. But this is the Disney Cruise Line beer mug. So it's a 23 ounce, and I think, what did she say? The regular pour is.
You pay for the price of a pint.
Yeah.
You get the 22 ounce.
The price, yeah. So you essentially get an extra beer in this. So you pay for this up front. I think this is $18, and then you pay for the beer, and then every other time you'll just pay for the price of a pint. Okay, yeah. I want to make sure I got the correct.
And you get all a 22 ounce.
And technically, this is a souvenir because it's yours. So we have a nice Disney Cruise Line mug. Now we're heading into Fathoms for a silent disco party, which you can see some people have them on already. You guys, we're coming back. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay, I have to set up all of my adults fish consumer gifts now. I've shared this like so many times on TikTok, but in case none of you follow me there, I'm doing these cups. They're all custom with the person's name who I'm giving them to. These are little Valentine's Day cards with the gifts that I'm giving to each person, so it has their name. And I found these at the dollar store. I thought they were so cute and obviously appropriate. The lids and the straws for all the cups. I'm gonna give them wet ones. My favorite candy is this Nerds Gummy Cluster. I just think they're amazing. We have some electrolytes, some little Disney goodies, Uno cards for mostly the men, and then some towel band. I am going to be putting them in these little bags. I just didn't want to do it before because it was just too much, so I'm just going to do it right now. All right, we have our first round of room service. Ryan got coffee. I also got Mickey bars. These are my favorite at Disney World. I'm so sorry. I stopped recording because I thought that was it. The greed got the best of somebody. Okay, so I finished getting all of the gifts together. So these are just the adults, and then these are all the kids. I actually kind of put these all together before we left, and we're gonna go drop off all of them, or at least the ones on our floor. And then we have Ryan out here enjoying his coffee, cake, and this chilly breeze. We're going to our first side. Over here, we're gonna have to be really quiet because a lot of people are already sleeping. Okay, our first delivery is done. All right, we're going down, and we are going to floor 5. Okay, we have 2 more families. Do you want to take part in feeling magical and giving gifts? Okay, so we finished dropping off Fish Extender. My battery died, so I wasn't able to show like the last few clips, but you did see I got a chance to do.
Yeah, fairy godmother.
Yeah. Fairy godfather.
Yeah, Gary Godfather.
So all we have now are pixie dust gifts. I want to give one to our neighbor because it's a little boy and I think it's his birthday, which I think is the sweetest. But probably tomorrow and stuff we'll continue pixie dusting, but I'm done for tonight. I'm gonna try to clean up the disaster that is our room, and other than that I think we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.